Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking good care of yourself. Children, this is our EVS class and today our topic is My Country India Clothes. This is your general awareness book and page number 112. So children, you know we have 28 states in India, but here you can see few pictures, but we have 28 states in India and each state have particular type of dress. Each state have their own culture and they wear their particular traditional dress. So I will tell you one by one. So first picture you can see this is West Bengal. And in West Bengal, women wear sari. See, this is a sari. So women wear sari and men wear dhoti with silk kurta. In this picture, it is not visible, but men wear dhoti with silk kurta and women wear sari. Now move on to next picture. This is Gujarat. Okay, this is Gujarat. And in Gujarat, men wear kurta and dhoti. And you know children, this type of kurta is known as KDU. Okay, this type of kurta is known as KDU. And dhoti is known as Chorno. So, this type of kurta is known as KDU and dhoti is known as Chorno. And women in Gujarat wear chaniya choli. So this is the dress of Gujarat. KDU and Chorno for men and chaniya choli for women. And men wear turban that is known as fento. So it consists of layer of clothes wrapped around the head. You can see in this picture, right? So this is KDU, Chorno and Fento. Now next picture is Kerala. So this is the dress of Kerala. And in Kerala, men wear dhoti and this dhoti is known as mundu. Okay? So such kind of dress, such kind of dhoti is known as mundu and women wear sari. So children, सारी सेम होती है बट किस तरह से वुमेन उसको पहनती है. सो सी इन दिस पिक्चर इसमें कुछ डिफरेंट तरीके से साड़ी पहनी है एंड हियर यहाँ पे साड़ी कुछ डिफरेंट तरीके से पहनी है, राइट. सो इन केरला मेन वेयर मुंडू विथ शर्ट एंड वुमेन वेयर साड़ी. सो चिल्ड्रन, नेक्स्ट स्टेट इज मणिपुर. दिस इज ड्रेस ऑफ मणिपुर. So, in Manipur, men wear kurta and dhoti, okay, and this women wear shawl, okay. So this kind of shawl known as inafi, okay. This kind of shawl is known as inafi. So women wear inafi at the top and in bottom they wear skirt and that is known as fenek. So in Manipur, men wear dhoti with kurta and women wear shawl that is known as inafi and skirt that is known as fenek. So move on to next picture. This is Kashmir. Yes, and in Kashmir this is the dress of Kashmir and in Kashmir men wear kurta and salwar and in rest of the India this type of kurta is known as Pathani. Okay, so men wear Pathani kurta and salwar and women wear salwar and kameez and over it they wear feren. Okay, so what is feren? Feren is a long loose coat and every woman cover their head with headscarf. You can see here in this picture. Okay, so men wear salwar, Pathani kurta and salwar and women wear salwar and kameez and over it they wear both man and woman both wear feren and farran is a long loose coat. Okay children. Now move on to next state, next picture. This is Maharashtra. So this is the dress of Maharashtra, and in Maharashtra men again they wear kurta and dhoti, and women wear sari with choli. Okay, and men wear turban that is known as feta. Okay, so men wear salwar kurta with dhoti, and women wear sari with choli, and this type of turban is known as feta. Okay, now next is Odisha. So it can be Odisha or Odisha. Okay, so in Odisha men wear dhoti and kurta with gamcha, okay, which is there around the neck. Okay, and women wear sari or salwar kameez. Okay, it's very simple. In Odisha men wear dhoti and kurta with gamcha, and women wear sari or salwar kameez. Now move on to next picture. This is Punjab. Okay, and in Punjab men wear kurta and pajama, Punjabi kurta and pajama, and women wear Punjabi salwar and suit. Okay, all women love to wear Punjabi suit, right? So it's very simple. In Punjab men wear Punjabi kurta and pajama, and women wear Punjabi salwar suit. Okay, now move on to next picture, Sikkim. This is Sikkim. Now Sikkim they have very special dress which known as kho. Okay, so this type of dress known as kho. So women wear silk blouse that is known as honjo inside the kho, and also they tighten loose garment with the belt on near the waist. You can see. Okay, so men they wear loose trouser and shirt under the kho. So they have very special dress which known as kho, and women wear silk blouse that is known as honju inside the kho, and also they tighten loose garment with the belt near the waist. You can see here. And men they wear loose trouser and shirt under the kho. So children, today I taught you about different dresses that people wear in different states. Okay, and do not forget to mention date on top. Today is 20th January 2022. Bye bye children, have a nice day.